flip the throttle a little bit. She seems to have smoothed out. Let's try restart. So that's a symptom. Long starts, rough idle, soot coming out of the exhaust, smokes from both ends, possible fuel delivery problem.